Morning children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class we have completed exercise 5A. We have already started chapter number 5 factorization and we have completed exercise 5A. Today we are going to start exercise 5B. Let us see the first question of this exercise. In this exercise we are going to apply the middle term splitting method. I will explain you how to split the middle term. So concentrate the first question here. The first question is a square minus 3a minus 40. So this is the middle term. Now to split this middle term, what we have to do, we have to multiply their extreme term. Means this term and this term we have to multiply. What is the product? What will be the product? 40a square. Now we have to split this 40 into two such parts such that their sum must be minus 3a. So as we know, 8 5s are 50, 8 5s are 40, and now a. We have to find out minus 3a. So the bigger number must be negative and the smaller number should be positive. So we can write down a square minus, in place of 3a we will write down minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. Now we will make it a group and take it the common. What will be the common? A will be the common here, and a minus 8 inside the bracket plus we will take it 5 as a common. So a minus 8. Dear students, see carefully, inside the bracket both these terms are same. So we will make it like this. We will make it a factor a plus 5. This will be the first factor, and a minus 8 will take it, and there are two 8 minus 8, so we will take it 110. This will be our answer of the first part. Now let us see the second question. X square minus 3ax minus 88a square. So let us see how we will split this middle term. For that, as I told you, we have to multiply their extreme term. So what will be the product? 88 a square into x square, that is equal to 88 a square x square. Now we have to split this 88 into two parts such that their sum must be minus 3. So 11, as we know, 11 8s are 88. Here we will write down ax. When you will multiply 11ax into 8ax, it will be 88a square x square. Now we have to find out minus 3x, so bigger number should be negative and smaller number should be positive. So in place of minus 3ax, we have to write down this one, minus 11ax plus 8ax. Let us write down x square minus 11ax plus 8ax minus 88a square. Now we'll make it a group. Take it the common. What will be the common number? X will be the common here. X minus 11a, and this side 8a will be common, and here x minus 11a. Now make it factor x plus 8a, x plus 8a, and this side x minus 11a. These are the factors. Now this is question number 3. A inside the bracket 3a minus 2 bracket close minus 1. In this case, first we will multiply this a into 3a. That will be 3a square minus 2a minus 1. Now we have to solve this question. We have to find out the factor of this expression. For that we have to take the help of the middle term splitting. For that, as I told you, we have to multiply their extreme term. So what will be the product? 3a square. 3a square. Now we have to split this into two equal parts such that their sum must be minus 2a. So minus 3a into plus a. So we will write down 3a square minus 3a plus a minus 1. Now we will make it a group and take it the common number here, 3a minus 1 plus 1a minus 1. Now 3a plus 1 and a minus 1. This is our answer. Now we will see the another question. 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 3 bracket a plus b whole square. Let us see. We will write down like this: 1 minus, we will take it here 2 as a common, so a plus b, because minus into plus minus 3a plus b whole square. Now we will assume let a plus b be x. So we will write down 1 minus 2x minus 3x square, or we can write down minus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. We can write down like this also. Now to find out the factor, we have to take it the help of middle term splitting. For that we have to multiply the extreme term, so it will be minus 3x square. Minus 3x square, we have to split this number into two equal parts such that 3x x minus plus. So we'll write down minus 3x square minus 3x plus x plus 1. In place of minus 2x, we can write down like this. And if you multiply, the product will be this much. Now we'll make it first group and take it there common number, 3x. So x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 1. Now let us see, minus 3x will take it common, so here it will be x plus 1, and there is no any common number, so we are free to take it 1 as a common, so it will be x plus 1. Now we will make it a group 3x plus 1, this is the first factor, and x plus 1. Now what we will do, by putting the, this is equation 1, now we will putting the value of x in equation 1. Let us put it the value of x in this equation. Minus 3, what is the value of x? A plus b. A plus b plus 1. And this side, a plus b plus 1. Let us multiply this number. Minus 3a minus 3b plus 1, and this side a plus b plus 1. This is our answer. Now we will see the next question. 5 minus 3a square minus 2a bracket close bracket open 6 minus 3a square plus 2a. Let us see. Here we can write down 5 minus 3a square minus 2a. Here we will write down like this: 6 minus 3a square minus 2a. Shall we write down like this? Now we will assume here, let 3a square minus 2a be x. So we will write down 5 minus x 6 minus x. So 5 minus 6x minus x square. Or we can write down minus x square minus 6x plus 5. Now by middle term splitting, let us see, minus x square minus 5x minus x, by multiplying it will be minus 5x square, and when we will add both this number it will be minus 6 plus 5. Now we will make it a group. Here x will be common, x minus 5, and this side minus 1, so x minus 5. So x minus 1 is the first factor, x minus 5 will be the second factor. This is our first equation. Now by putting the value of x in equation 1, let us put it their value. What is the value of x? 3a square minus 2a minus 1, and this side 3a square minus 2a minus 5. Again we will take the help of middle term splitting method. When we will multiply their extreme term, it will be 3a square. 3a square minus 3a plus a minus 1. Here 3 5s are 15. When we will split this 15a square into 2 parts, 5 3s are 15, and we have to take it minus, so it will be like this. A. So 3a square minus 5a plus 3a minus 5. Now make it a group here and take it there common. 3a will be a common number, so a minus 1 plus 1, a minus 1. This side we will take it common here. First we will arrange them. 3a square plus 3a minus 5a minus 5. Now 3a plus 1 and this side a minus 1, and here we will write down 3a, 3 we will take it as a common, so here 3a, so it will be a plus 1 minus 5 will take it common, a plus 1. Then we will write down here 3a plus 1, this side a minus 1, this side 3a minus 5, a minus 5 and a plus 1. A plus 1. This is our answer, children. So today this much only. We'll see next in the next class. Thank you.